Here's a recap of the biggest home loan and commercial property news stories from February 16, 2025, along with some additional details. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, made a big announcement. They cut the repo rate by 25 basis points. This is fantastic news for homebuyers, as it means lower interest rates on new loans. And with the recent tax breaks introduced in the Union Budget, it's definitely a buyer's market right now. Speaking of the Union Budget, it included some great stuff for homeowners. There's no income tax on earnings up to 12 lakh rupees per year, which means more disposable income for folks to put towards a house. Plus, the government's working on programs to help get stalled real estate projects back on track. This is great news for the overall market, as it will bring some much-needed relief to buyers and investors. Now, let's talk commercial income properties. The picture's a little different here. Rental demand is still strong in big cities, but vacancy rates are creeping up in some suburban areas. However, with interest rates so low, it's still a great time for experienced investors to find good deals on commercial properties. So, what does this all mean for you? Well, if you're looking to buy a home, now's a great time to start shopping around. Interest rates are low, and there are some fantastic deals to be had. But be prepared for some serious competition, because everyone else has the same idea. When it comes to commercial income properties, it's definitely worth doing some research. The market is a bit more complex right now, but there are still opportunities for savvy investors. It's important to carefully consider factors like location, rental demand, and potential returns before making any decisions. And finally, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram for more news and updates on the real estate market. Here's some additional context to help you understand the bigger picture. The combination of lower interest rates and government incentives has created a perfect storm for the residential real estate market. We're likely to see a surge in home sales and construction activity in the coming months. This could also lead to an increase in property prices, so it's important to act quickly if you're thinking of buying a home. For commercial real estate, the outlook is a bit more uncertain. While rental demand in major cities remains strong, there's a risk of oversupply in some segments of the market. It's crucial for investors to carefully analyze their options and choose properties with good long-term growth potential. Ultimately, the real estate market is constantly changing, and it's important to stay informed about the latest trends and developments. By keeping track of interest rates, government policies, and economic indicators, you can make more informed decisions about your investments. Disclaimer: this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. It's not intended to be financial advice. You should always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any decisions about your personal finances or investments.